In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word in just 5 minutes. Whether you're drafting an important letter, working on a school assignment, or polishing a report, Grammarly's integration with Microsoft Word can be a lifesaver. It helps improve grammar, punctuation, and overall writing effectiveness right where you're working. So, let's dive into the process of setting this up. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Office Online. Head to your browser and type in the Microsoft Office Online URL. If you haven't got a Microsoft account, take a moment to sign up. You'll need it to access Word and other Microsoft tools online. This registration is straightforward and gives you access to a host of services. Once you're set up and ready to go, navigate to Word from the suite of applications available. You can do this by clicking on the Word icon, which should be easily visible among your options. Once Word is open, you'll want to create a new document by selecting the option for a blank document. This step is crucial as it engages Word fully so that we can proceed with integration tasks. Next, direct your attention to the Word interface, particularly to the Home menu at the top of the screen. This menu is your gateway to various functions, so getting acquainted with its layout can be quite beneficial for any future tasks. Now in this Home menu, look for the Add-ins option and click on it. Microsoft Word allows the use of numerous add-ins to extend the tool's functionality, and this is precisely where Grammarly fits in. Once you click on add-ins, you will access a marketplace of sorts. Use the search bar and type Grammarly. This search should bring up the Grammarly add-in prominently. After Grammarly appears on your screen, the next step is simple. Click on the Add button. This action initiates the installation of Grammarly onto your Word interface. Generally, Microsoft Word will handle this process automatically, so you don't have to worry about intricate technical steps. In a few moments, Grammarly will be ready for use in your Word documents. You might need to log into your Grammarly account or create one if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, Grammarly will start assisting you by offering real-time suggestions and enhancements as you type. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully enhanced your Word documents' editing capabilities, ensuring that you maintain a professional, mistake-free level of writing.